Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Today I am gonna show you about an interesting app that name is called reutrn. It is an app from which we can see our data traffic. Let's test it. I will start Task Manager to monitor also my data traffic, and we will see how many it can measure the real-time data. Now we will start the speed test to compare both results.
You are going to die tonight, and you can't tell me. I'm sorry, but it's just what is meant to be done.
The download rate is almost same. As you can see, the speed is almost same, but data measuring units can be different. The upload rate is also same. The download link below in description.